Good morning, my dear students. So, in the last class, we have seen regarding the largest test in single sample size test. So, the procedure is you observe carefully here. So, based on these problem here, the n is greater than 42. Here, the 42 is the median value or mean value, sometimes we call, and the 32 is the number of mathematician faculties they gave sample randomly selected. So this is a procedure we followed. So today already we have discussed this problem in the previous class. So today we will see the another method that is two sample scientist. Again we call it as a these two sample scientist is also called as paired sample scientist. Okay, here see a paired sample scientist, and sometimes we call it as a double sample scientist also. Okay, double sample scientist also. When comparing with a single sample scientist, in single sample scientist only single values are given. In double sample scientist or paired sample scientist or two sample scientist, here we will see the information regarding two values are there. Okay, two values means here I will show one small example here. You observe this question here. This is a question here. See, before information is given 30, 28, 34, 35, 40, 42, 33, 38, 34, then 45, 28, 27, 25, 41, 36. So when you observe these values, before values and after values are there here. Okay, the first part we call it as before values, and the second part is the after values. So generally you observe these values. How many values are there here? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 values are there here. So here in a two sample sign test, 15 values are given in the question before and after. So here what we have to do? Simply we have to check that n is greater than 25 or less than 25. N is less than 25. So here only 15 values are there. 15 number 15 is a, see here 15 is a small number when comparing with 25. So this is a small sample sign test. Okay, small sample sign test in two sample sign test method. So we will see the problem. So by observing this problem, we have a clarity, and we got the clarity that this problem belongs to two sample sign test or double sample sign test or paired sample sign test. So you observe carefully the information. See here, before value is given and after value is given, two information is given. So based on this, already we have done a single sample sign test, small sample already we done. Okay, so you observe carefully here. Simply I am going to solution here. So you observe the solution, simply the solution. Setting hypothesis, this is a common step, already we have discussed number of times. Then alternative and a null hypothesis. In setting hypothesis, the first one is null hypothesis A, that is the next one is alternative hypothesis. Okay, null hypothesis, then alternative hypothesis. So these two things we need to observe. Here A is the null hypothesis and B is alternate hypothesis. H naught mu is equal to mu naught. That is the probability of getting plus and minus sign. C. Probability of getting plus and minus sign are equal. Probability of getting plus and minus sign are equal. So then alternative hypothesis here, HA mu is not equal to HA. So the probability of getting plus and minus signs are not equal. Okay, this is the first step we completed. This is the first step we completed here. The next we go for the second one, setting suitable significance level. At 5% LOS, 95% is the confidence level. Already we know in the hypothesis here. So here in the given question, 5% is there. When the 5% is given in these non-parametric method here, non-parametric test, what we have to do? Simply 500 divided by, sorry, not 500, sorry, 5 is divided by 100. So we'll get to 0.05, 0.05. At Z critical values, we go for checking the Z critical values. In the Z critical values, how much it is there? Okay, already we know that it is 1.645. Okay, so we are doing the small sample scientist. In small sample scientist, we go for comparing with K and S values only. So here we simply we need to ignore the 0.05 LOS as well as 1.645 critical value. So simply what we are doing, simply according to process, we have written here setting suitable significance level at 5% LOS, 95% is a confidence level, that is 1.96. It is a customary and it is a process, it is a procedure we have written here. The next test criterion. In given problem, n less than 25. See, there are 15 numbers only there. Already we discussed here. Only 15 numbers are there. 15 less than 25. 15 is less than 25. It is a small sample problem. Since the alternative hypothesis is one-sided, we obtain the probability of our result by the difference between S and K value. If S is greater than K, then null hypothesis accepted, otherwise rejected. Okay, in this way we have to write. So the test criterion process also we completed. Then next I am simply going to doing calculation. In doing calculation, you observe carefully. Doing calculation is important here. So in doing calculation, see what I have done here. Simply a few number, step number 5, doing calculation. So in the from the question paper, okay, see, observe carefully. From the question paper itself, we copied the same information which is available in the question. This is a before information. First values 30, 28, 34, 35, 40, 42, 33, 38, 34, 45, 28, 27, 25, 41, 36. Then after values 32, 29, 33, 32, 37. Okay, this two information, this is the first information and this is the second information, it is given in the question. So the first minus a second, okay, 30 minus 32, then we will get simply the minus sign here. 28 is a big number when comparing with 29, so minus sign. 34 is a big number when we compare with 33, that is a plus sign. Again 35, okay, 35 is a big number when we compare with 32, it is a plus symbol. 40 is a big number when compared with 37, it's plus sign. Okay, in this way minus, 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 and then plus, okay, again plus, minus, again minus, then plus. So here 36, the same number it is repeated, 36 and 36 here. So we got 0. See, when this is very much important. We are doing a paired sample sign test, two sample sign test, we called again, then double sample sign test. So here the first, all these first numbers are comparing with these numbers only, and we are taking the plus and minus sign symbols here. So in a previous method, one sample sign test, the mean value or the median value, it is very clearly given in the question, like 42 or 30. Okay, any number will be given in the question directly. So simply what we are going to do, we are going to compare with these 42 and these 30 with the single values. The single values are these single values in one sample sign test, but in these given question we are comparing with before values and after values, then we are giving sign. So we got here sign here, that is 36 minus 36, that is 0. Okay, here 0 is written. So then after writing, what is our process here? In a small sample sign test, when the sample size is small, okay, n is less than 25, simply S is equals to all the minus sign here. How many minus sign are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 minus sign are there. So here what we have to do? Simply we have to write the minus sign only. Okay, so a small doubt, that is the reason I have waited. Right, so here listen here, this is 1 2, how many minus sign are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Yes, 8 minus sign are there. So this is small correction here. This is not 5, it is 8. This is equals to 8. Then result here, we will see the result. How many plus sign are there here? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the result is equal to number of plus sign is equal to 6. Yes, number of minus sign is equals to 8. So here in small sample, when n is less than 25, then we have to consider here only minus sign. We have to focus on minus sign. That minus sign is written as s is equals to 8. If it is a large sample size test, when n is greater than 25, then what we have to write? Simply x is equals to all the plus sign will be written here. So the 0 is discarded here. So you observe carefully. Here plus sign are 6, minus sign are 8, and 0 is discarded. So please ignore this 0. Don't count the 0. But when coming to total, just count it. But we need to consider only n stands for 14 only. N stands for 14 only. How many plus and minus sign are there? That plus and minus sign are we need to consider. So you observe carefully. This is a principle. These principle, this formula is applicable for small sample scientist and large sample sign test here. The same principle is applied in both the cases in small and large sample. That is, k is equals to n minus 1 by 2 minus 0.98 into under root n. So here n is a 14. Okay. Then according to formula, we have written 1 divided by 2 in minus 0.98 into under root 14. So you finally you got 2.83. 2.83 is the k value. So since here S is greater than k, the null hypothesis accepted. S is greater than k, the null hypothesis accepted. Here we have to write it this way. This is a decision rule. Okay. This is about the small sample sign test. That is when sample size is small, n is less than 25. In paired sample sign test method, two sample sign test method or double sample sign test method, we call it as. So see, once the information here before and after is given in this way, so the steps are applied, the same procedure we are going to apply here. Okay, this is a process. So if you have any doubts, please write your doubts in the comment section. So thank you very much, student, for listening today's class. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.